The title of our project is the convene, and
One moment. Hold
okay,
on.
sir.
Okay. Please start the presentation now.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So the title of our project is convene, and it is a web-based application. So I will talk further. Can you change the slide, Adit?
Okay.
So we will start with the introduction and the next slide. Okay, sir. So basically, our project is based on the Python and utilizes a Flask framework of Python. And the main objective of the project was to try to connect the similar kind of people residing in a same locality or belonging to, from a same organization. So it was just a thought from the problem that we thought ki there was people when try to find the similar kind of people, they couldn't. Okay, so for example, my, suppose I am good in cricket and I want someone to form a team. I want to form a team, and I can't find people around me who are good in cricket. So I could help take help from this application and find those people, form a team. Similarly, if I'm new to a region or organization and I don't have any friends, and my nature or my personality belongs to some, I'm introvert or extrovert, or I'm more into books or sports, so I can find similar kinds of people that share same interest and personality with me. So this is the main thought what we have given in the project. So next slide, please, Adit. Hello, hello,
Hello,
Adit.
Jan.
Hello.
Hello. Am I audible?
Oh, yes, sir, you are audible, but I think Aditya has got some technical issue. He may
Oh,
be
it's okay.
rejoining.
It's okay. Take your time. Take your time.
Okay, sir.
Sorry. There was a net problem in my. I'm presenting it again. Is it visible?
Yes, Aditya.
Okay. Sorry for the
Can you go to the after
introduction.
introduction? Yes, sir. We have gone
Okay.
through introduction. So
Okay.
the basic tools which I have utilized in this project were the Python, as I have already told. So it is a general purpose, high level language. And secondly, the framework we used at the backend was the Flask. So it is a micro framework, and it has allowed us to build the and connect several web pages and define the general flow of user. And JavaScript was used for the design in the designing and to make the project more user interactive. So various aspects of JavaScript were used and libraries. HTML and CSS, as we already know, HTML provides structure to our web pages, and CSS was used in the designing phase. So these are the four tools, and there are many more, and we will explain in the next slide. Manas, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you will continue.
You will. So jQuery is basically a JavaScript library and a framework which is basically used to simplify a web task, and it is technique of JavaScript which is used to construct HTML HTTP request. To and the next one is Heroku. Heroku is a platform which सर जिसमें हम वेबसाइट को डिप्लॉय करते हैं सर वो एक हेरोकू हमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म देता है सर उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम अ, अपने कुछ जैसे हमारी ये वेबसाइट है वेबसाइट को हम डिप्लॉय करते हैं तो इन केस ऑफ डेटाबेस सर डेटाबेस के रेस्पेक्ट में बात करें तो हम लोगों ने पोस्टग्री एसक्यूएल का यूज़ किया है पोस्टग्री एसक्यूएल एक पावरफुल ओपन वेब सोर्स रिलेशनल डेटाबेस सिस्टम है जो जो एक एक्सटेंडेड फॉर्म है एसक्यूएल लैंग्वेज का और सर उसके बाद आता है गिट एंड गिटहब तो गेट एक फ्री ओपन सोर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड वर्जन कंट्रोल सिस्टम है जिसको डिजाइन किया गया है बैकअप के लिए, जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट की स्पीड और एफिशिएंसी को मेंटेन रखता है। ये कोड होस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जिससे जिससे हम कोड को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। जैन, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। सर अब यहाँ पे, सर इट्स इज द हाईलाइट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. What are the highlights of this project that we have made? It assists people who share similar persona. Suppose that several people share same personalities, and then they can come together in our project to. And if someone requires nearby based on some particular skill, then this app could help them. And if anyone is new to a place and want to befriend someone who has something new in common with him or her, could take help of this app. And this app could in helpful making teams of similar kind of people in an organization or region. It helps to integrate the groups of similar domain. That was the highlights of this project. And working for Aditya Jain.
Yes, the working is of mine. So the working starts by creating an account. Then we have to log in and complete our profile, and then the personality section, and then we starts convening to the matched people. So the working starts by this. First, a new user comes across the app and he creates an account by giving some credentials. And after giving the credentials, he can verify his mail, and once he verifies his mail, he will be a registered user. Now after registering, he have to log into our app, and and he can, and if he forgets his password, he can also regenerate it by using the forget password link. And when the user is the first time user, when the user has first time logged in our app, he will be redirected to the profile page. So the profile page asks him to do the necessary details, which will be helpful to us to match the correct user with him. And after filling the profile, there's a dashboard which has options like personality test and find section. And personality analysis test is a test, basically a test to judge the personality of the person so that he can match with other people around him. And this personality section is also the quiz section. And after doing the quiz, he can check his personality matching with other using a find section. This will be explained in a model. I'll explain in the model. So after matching, the match page consists of three types. Match page consists of three differentiations, such as based on interest, based on personality, and based on both personality and interest. So he can connect with the user using a connect button, where he can mail the user who whom he want to connect with. So the next part will be explained by Rahul.
So, like every site, we also have a query or contact us form where the user can visit if he faces any issue or he finds any bug or any problem. He can report it to us through. There are two variations of this page. One is through if the user is logged in, he can directly message us, and his email ID and the contact info will be automatically delivered to us. And if the user isn't logged in, then we will ask the email, and the user can provide his email, and then he can contact us. And the other is we also have credentials, so that we also show credentials so that user has the option to log in and log out as per his convenience. And the last part of the project is about us, which explains the team members, their responsibilities and roles in the project. So first, first we talk about Romil. Romil is the initiator or the idea bringer of this project. He has worked on the back end. He has built the database and he has deployed the app on Heroku. Then we have our team member Adit Jain, who has designed the almost 99% of the front end is done by Aditya, and he has also helped me in the back end part. And then Manas, who has contributed in feature addition and front end. Next slide. So this was our mini project for the third year, which was based on Python.
Okay. Can you show me the implementation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, we can. So, sir, this is our web app, okay, and this is deployed over the Heroku. So, basically, anyone through our link can access the page. We haven't deployed it through our local server, and because there we have used cloud services for the deployment, and we can't pay for much higher tiers of the service. So, there was some limitation on the resources which we could use. So we have many more features in mind, but due to the bottleneck of the resources, we couldn't implement. So we can still try to show you. So this is our homepage, sir.
So, hmm,
And can you go over the contact page?
yeah.
So, so this is our contact page, and the user who has any doubt or bug or any suggestions can fill this form and submit it, and we will receive our emails. We will receive that feedback on our mails. And then there is a next about page.
Go to your features. What are you trying to implement in your
Okay,
project?
okay, okay.
Just
Okay.
show me.
Sir, the user can first sign up and then log in, and
Yes.
Okay.
his
Actually, I
Login
credit.
have
with.
Okay.
already signed up, so I'm a registered user.
Sir, his email ID and credentials will be email verified through OTP,
Okay.
and he can also change his password or when he forgets. So this is our main dashboard when the user lands after login, and there is the profile section where he can highlight his interest, which will be used in the matching phase.
Mm-hmm.
Like below, he can highlight his up to 5 interests about this. You can save, and we have also implemented a small API for the pin, where just by
Uh,
taking the pin code, we can locate the user with the city, country, and state, like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So suppose I'm logged in. Then what
Okay.
can I do with your
So,
this project?
sir, if you are a first-time user, we will direct you to the profile page, where we will try to extract infos like from which region you belong, and
Okay.
some interest,
Go
because
to
they are
find match.
asking. Okay,
Go to
sir,
find match.
go. Okay, Adit, can you go?
yes.
Okay,
So we
so
can.
here we have given three options to find a match, which
Hmm,
can be based on the personality analysis test, which we have another page for it, and
hmm.
based on the interest which user have specified, and the third is
So
the both category, including the personality and the interest, the users which match according to that.
okay. So Romil, I have to provide input like my personality, and then it can search.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It should be based on my previous searching pattern. Are you not recommending some
No,
profiles?
sir.
No, sir.
User
Actually,
will
it is
be
based.
allowed to select from predefined set. We'll provide the list of personalities
Sir,
and
on the
interests,
basis.
and the
Huh.
user will have to select from those
So
provided.
to judge personality, we have a quiz section.
So on the
So
basis
this
of
is
the
the quiz page.
responses of the quiz page, we
Yes.
have
On the basis.
uh, we have generated an absolute score, and we try to match it with the other.
Okay, you simply matching the string pattern. Okay.
No, sir. Actually, we have tried to generate a score. We have 5 categories in the personality analysis test for different category like introvert, extrovert, and
Hmm.
who is interested in the books and sports person. Like we have 5 categories in the quiz pattern, and with
Okay.
every responses we try to map with those particular categories, and after then when the quiz has been submitted, we try to generate a score, and when other people of similar personality fall into that criteria, around that composite score which we have, then we try to show.
I have a no personality match here. because I
Sir,
have not
actually,
filled the quiz.
we don't have many people's data, so we can't have many people here.
So I can show
Mm.
you by.
I'll just create
No, my
account.
question is,
Can you create a
suppose I'm
second account?
using,
Yes,
Can you create a
I'll be
second account?
Okay.
creating account.
Okay.
okay, my question is, suppose I'm using your system, so why
Yes,
should
sir.
I go to the find match? You should recommend me. Like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, they are recommending the profiles based on my previous
Okay.
data.
Sir, actually, we don't have any previous data, and without that, we can't recommend. And further, we don't have a profile section where we can display the profile picture. There was some bottleneck on the resources. Actually, sir, we could have done it, but by hosting it on the Heroku, we have some bottleneck on the free tier, which we get with it.
No, it's okay.
Yes,
I'm
yes, sir.
not asking you to do it on cloud-based system. You can do on
Yes, sir.
local server.
Yes, sir.
You can make a recommendation system based on the profile data. Profile data you
Yes, sir.
can collect. You can
Uh,
collect the profile data by distributing your page to your group, and you will collect
yes, sir.
all the interest and so on. Based on that, you can
Yes,
start
sir.
recommending the person. So
Yes, sir. That could be done.
okay, so that if you can do that, that will be a beneficial thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we will try to implement that as well. But we also wanted to try it on the cloud, so we started with that.
So this is my first login, and after the first login, I'll be redirected to the profile page where I have to fill the necessary details such as my organization, zip code, and zip code will check all the details such as country, state, and city. So I can fill my organization such as GL Bajaj, and the zip code can be this. It will check, and this is my zip code. And I have an option to fill my interest. There are 5 categories from which I can select an interest, and I want to select only one interest, so I can save this also. By saving, my data is saved, and I'll be redirected to the dashboard. The match page is logged because I have not filled the personality test yet. After filling the personality test, the find page will be unlocked. See, now here I can not even go here, the match page. So after filling the personality, I'll be randomly picking something. So showing you, this is our questions. I think it should work. The quiz has been submitted and the find match page is been unlocked. So I think I should have a personality match. Yes, I have a personality match. Name as Vivek Mehta. I can connect to him through mail, and I can write a subject here and my message. The mail will has been sent to him. So the this is has been done through personality and interest. Oh no, something went wrong. Mm, So this must only. This is our match dashboard, and we can check. We have one people around me. So this much.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Don't change the.
Hello.
What?
Yes, please, Romit.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I have thought about your idea and think that could have been done. Like for instead of having a separate find page,
Okay.
we could have displayed the recommended section.
Yes.
Okay, Romit, देखो, that's only my concern because if you are
Yes,
developing
sir.
such kind of project, the soul of the project
Yes, sir.
is
Yes.
recommendation. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
So
sir.
a
Yes, sir.
recommendation
Absolutely.
system is important one.
Yes,
If you
sir.
are able to do that, so the data is important, and you can use decision tree system for random forest or any other system.
Yes.
One moment.
Okay.
Okay, so you can use the random forest, or you can use the machine learning algorithms, whatever your project data will support. And but if you are using that,
Okay.
it can be a very good project and it will provide you learning. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Apart from
I think,
that,
sir, that
project
can be
is
continued in the fourth. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible?
am I correct? Hello, am I audible?
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
are
Yes.
audible.
So that's the suggestion from my side. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
yes.
Sir, as you have said, we can include recommender system and machine learning. So, if we include that kind of thing in our project, then will it be okay for fourth year if we submit this?
Definitely it will be okay, but what can we do? We can
Yes, sir.
do some more enhancement in the project. Just
Yes, sir.
include it
Yes, sir.
when we'll have more meetings and we'll find out some more conclusion about it.
Yes,
Because
sir.
Okay, sir.
there is tremendous possibilities what can we do with the data.
Yes,
So
sir.
okay, so that's my suggestion from now. So please include it and try to learn about those algorithms and how they work, how they
Yes, sir.
recommend the profiles. And there are you can find that based on the textual information, you can find some recommendation system using the NLP. Okay,
Yes, sir.
NLP processing. So if you want, then I will suggest you some articles. Based on that, I will search those articles and will definitely revert back to you. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
your team
Okay.
make a brainstorming session and find out some conclusion, then include in the project. Okay,
Okay, sir. We will definitely think over it, sir.
Okay, sir.
okay. Thank you, Adit. Thank you, Manas. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.